How to log into DeepSeek account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. So in order to log in, you first need to have an account. So basically, if you have an account, you could type in the credential of your account and you'll be logged in. So what you need is, if you've not installed DeepSeek on your phone, you want to go to your respective Play Store and install the app. After which, you want to click on the open button. Here, you'll be provided with different options, that is continue with Google, continue with password, or sign up. If you don't have an account, you go and click on the sign up button and then you could register with one of your emails. Now, in my case, what I'm going to do is here, I'm just simply going to click on continue with email since I already have an account. So click on continue with password. Make sure to mark on the terms and condition. Now then, you'll be asked to type in the email address associated with your DeepSeek account. And next, you want to type in the password. Make sure that the credentials are correct. If you're having issue with the password, you could click on the I button right in the corner and check your password as well. Click the login button, and if the information seems to be valid enough, you'll have successfully logged into your DeepSeek account. So this is it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.